Meet Flaamy Equo, the world's first portable indirect pellet oven that uses an innovative combustion technology. Now you can cook food outdoors without harming the environment.
Hi everyone, my name is Biagio Mandaio and I'm a co-founder of Flaamy. Flaamy is an innovative Italian startup that believes in sustainability and cook-up store. Our team has been dedicated to developing innovative food cooking and environmental heating systems that are efficiency and climate friendly. Equo is the result of 2 years of hard work and it's been worth the wait. In fact, Flaamy Equo is a truly green oven. It reduces fine dust emission into atmosphere by over 90%.
Equo is incredibly easy to use. A large hopper that can hold up to 8.6 pounds of pellets, meaning you won't have to refill it often, even during extended cooking session. The Equo has separate cooking and combustion chambers, which means you can cook with any kind of pellets, not just food grade. In addition to its efficiency and ease of use, the Flaamy Equo is made from high-quality, durable materials that will last you for years. It's not just good design, it's economic and ecologically friendly. Equo is a combination of an oven and a burner that use biomass efficiently more than any other technology on the market for pellet-fired ovens, producing heat for cooking without emitting smoke, odors, and reducing its environmental impact. Cook anything with adjustable heat that reaches over 950 degrees Fahrenheit. With high ceramic fiber insulation, you can touch the outside of the oven with no risk of contact burning. Not only is Equo smoke-free, but it's also portable, making it perfect for camping trip, picnic, and outdoor parties. Equo is a perfect solution. You can now cook quality food anywhere, not just even in your backyard. Equo is perfect for cooking up your favorite meals, from pizza or creme brulee to roasted vegetables and bread, all with the same efficiency and ease of use. It is an eco-friendly option that will satisfy any taste bud.
Now you can enjoy your food without worrying about harming the environment. Flaamy Equo is more than just a cooking oven. It is a way of life. By investing in Flaamy, not only will you get an innovative and versatile oven, but you will also help us expand our community and spread our message. We want to reach as many people as possible and share our ideas and purpose with them. Every investment in Flaamy will allow us to broaden our reach, promoting our vision and the values that drive us. By supporting our cause, you become part of a dedicated community working together to make a positive impact in the world. Get your Flaamy Equo today and help us spread our message.